Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. In this class, we will discuss about how to raise the wall and what are the methods used to raise the walls. By using the Pressfull command, we can raise the walls easily, like this. For window placement, we can open 4 feet height and 5 feet length. Draw one rectangle from top face and then extrude at a distance 3 feet. After that, and select this and then copy to downward side. This is for the window opening. Same like this for creating a door openings. Standard dimension of door will be main door is 3 feet 6 inch for length and 7 feet for width. So that draw one rectangle and then extrude, select the object, press enter and minus 3 feet. Like this we can create the door openings. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.